Hey guys, what's up? This is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle here, back with a brand new video about Ero Finance, a deflationary token on the Polygon Network, building the world's first dividend-paying crypto ecosystem. So let's begin. Alright guys, so we are back. We're gonna talk about Ero Finance. This is like a deflationary token with a reflection in USDC. So by holding Ero, you will earn USDC, but there are more perks to it. We'll take a look at the white paper they have and at the website. So let's just browse through the website now. So you can see that they have this tax that you need to pay every time you buy or sell. The tax is 15%. And it's split in 4 areas: reflections, liquidity, buybacks, and ecosystem growth. 8% of it goes to buyback, so a fraction of the buyback amount will be used automatically to buy tokens from the liquidity pool. Then 2% goes to reflections. This will be paid to the holders of Ero in USDC. So just by holding Ero on your wallet, you don't have to do anything, you don't have to stake. It will like auto stake for you, and you will get reflections in USDC. You will have to add USDC on the Polygon Network, and you will see it in your wallet accumulating after each transaction, depending on your share of the whole tokens. Okay, so for the whole tokens that are in the system, the 2% will be added to liquidity, to QuickSwap, because this is one of the native exchanges for Polygon Network, and the 3% will be used for ecosystem growth. So this will go to the development team. They will have a pre-sale. As you can see, this is very early. We still have 23 days to go, so a lot of time to do your own research. We have to wait for the more details about the pre-sale price. So how many tokens will you be able to get for one Matic, etc. So this will be published in a while. Like you can see, it's still early. They also plan to develop their own multi-chain mobile wallet with the dapp support, with the support for token transfer swaps, and you'll be also able to buy crypto with fiat, which is very nice. Okay, let's take a quick look at the roadmap. So right now they're setting up social media. They are having private sale, community building, and the website. Then they will do shilling contest, pre-sale, launch on the QuickSwap, influencer marketing, and social media marketing. In phase 3, they will apply for CMC listing, for CoinGecko listing, and social media ads. The phase 4, they plan to release staking, DAO, so decentralized autonomous organization, mobile wallet launch, and listings on decentralized exchanges. Then they want to launch their own DEX and lending platform, and that's what they are planning to do probably this year. They will also have this 10% daily staking rewards. So you will stake your Ero for 10% daily rewards. So this is like Degen stuff. So yeah, I like it. They will have the staking will be for 30 days. They say it will be sustainable with half of the growth fund fee going towards staking. 10% daily rewards will be sustainable, and there will be no withdrawal limits, so you will be able to withdraw your funds many times. In order to buy Ero, when it's released, you will have to install a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet or Token Pocket wallet, buy Matic, connect to QuickSwap, and buy Ero. Let's take a look at the white paper now. It's pretty comprehensive. There is a video that we will watch, maybe a part of it, that will explain very good what is the Ero Finance, how it works. Okay, so yeah, it's a deflationary token designed to increase in value over time. So let's see a part of it.
Ero Finance, a deflationary token that pays its holders in USDC. How does it work? Whenever someone buys, sells or transfer Ero, They will be charged a 15% tax. This tax is split into 4 areas. 8% is exchanged for Matic and gets stored in the smart contract. This Matic balance will be used to buy back the Ero token at a later time and destroy the purchased Ero tokens. This increases the price of Ero drastically. The Ero protocol deposits 2% of every buy, sell, and transfer of the Ero token, then sells a portion of the Ero for Matic to add into the liquidity pool. A bigger liquidity pool will provide more stability to the Ero price. 2% of the tax will be redistributed automatically to Ero holders. Combined with an 8% buyback fee, the USDC rewards will increase, because of higher Ero price and less tokens receiving rewards over time. The remaining 3% will go towards marketing and development of the Ero ecosystem. This will include a mobile wallet, decentralized crypto exchange, zero-interest crypto lending, and many more. To learn more, visit our website at www.erofinance.net.
Yeah, so as you can see, this 3% they will use for the development of DEX, etc. So yeah, nice video to watch, to easily understand what it's all about. So let's see tokenomics now. So 35% of the whole token distribution will go towards pre-sale, 20% will go to staking and it will be locked, 70% for exchanges also locked, 50% to QuickSwap, 8% to team, 5% for contests and giveaways, and 2% for partners. The pre-sale details will be here, still to be released soon. The features we've already discussed. They will also have this anti-whale mechanism that will ensure that no one can sell more than 0.25% of the total supply of Ero. This is very important, guys, because we've seen how whales can destroy even the best systems. So the anti-whale mechanism won't necessarily stop whales from selling, but having a maximum limit helps to prevent large sell-offs and price manipulation. And as for staking your Ero for 10% daily payout, when you stake your Ero will be consumed and paid to you at 10% per day for 30 days. So yeah, you won't be able to withdraw your principal. We discussed roadmap a little bit. There are more phases here. Yeah, I mean, that's all. And they will have this 0% interest lending platform. Here you will find a little bit of information about the DAO they're trying to create. So they will use NFTs for voting. Very nice idea. Okay. Here you'll find guides about how to buy Ero. So hey guys, this project looks very interesting. I mean, it's not the usual dapp or reflection token that I created a hybrid, which I like because new things usually are good. I mean, people like new things and degen DeFi. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will update you when it's live. So if you're interested in it, do your own research, guys. Join their social media. You can ask questions there. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you soon on another video.